Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. So last week I didn't done because I was busy in my Elliott Wave basic educational series to make, and it will help a lot of beginners to learn. So that is why I already uploaded the three part. So it's coming in the 10 parts. So one the next part is getting ready and I will upload tomorrow. So that is in the flat pattern with live examples. So I can you enjoying that and learning something from me. So you just watch all the videos from the basics, and even though if it is a regular trader also, you can fine tune yourselves and you can again recap everything. So I did the same thing, and I used that these days of holidays from the Christmas to New Year, and hopefully I enjoyed that way of teaching with that all chart to explaining that all the patterns of five waves, zigzag corrections, flats, triangles. So everything it's coming. So tomorrow I will uploaded that flat correction patterns. So I already uploaded the three part, and tomorrow is the fourth part, and this is today is a weekly analysis for the stocks. That is why and the market is not moving that much. So I didn't done that last week also. So I will try to make a video of every week, but it's a little bit burden for me to make forex as well as this stocks also. And I'm uploading everything in my Telegram channel as well as trading view as a forex. So I was little busy, and weekend is a teaching of a Elliott wave, that is a chargeable. So it's going on very interesting, and the Indian market is also very good for the investment purposes as of now. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully all the what I had written. And one more thing is, I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to the Nifty chart. So before we get into that, this is our watch list regularly, what we are doing uh, weekly. It's not weekly, it's a 15 days once as of now. So let's move on to that Nifty. Once again, we will see that. So this is a Nifty, a bank Nifty, and followed by the stocks. So first we will move on to the Nifty. So Nifty, it will, I need to explain clearly. So I need a daily chart or a monthly chart. It's fine. And here I will explain you. So what I thought, this could be a fourth wave, right? So whether it could continue as if it is a B C, from here it has to come down. Otherwise, if it is going higher, and it could be another fourth wave for the irregular flat, and then again one more high. But it is already crossed all the levels. Maybe I thought it's from the 13,700 it has to come down if it is a irregular flat for the fourth wave, but it's not looking like that. It is fully bullish. So now we need to be where we have to enter in the pullback and when it will come. So as of now, what I said is, this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed in that expanded fifth wave, and this is a 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are in that fifth wave. So still we are in that fifth wave, it's not yet completed, right? So this is the 3, 4 and 5 is going to end. So in this fifth wave daily, so we are here. I just labeled it as a correction for the irregular flat pattern. So if it is an irregular flat pattern, from this to retracement is around 13,750, but this wave it's not looking like a correction wave, even if it is a zigzag also. So this kind of waves need a 5 waves, but this is not looking like a B C and again A B C B. And past I did as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and the fifth wave is got extended what I thought. But after that, that 15 days before itself, what I thought is this could be a B C is a flat correction. So flat correction means we need a minimum is around the 61.8, but it didn't came, it's only 23.6. And again shooted in the 5 wave structure. And I said this, whether this could be at the end of the third and fourth wave may come to the downside. I expected from here, and I said this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it has to come down for the 3 wave structure. But I expected 1, 2, and this could be a third wave, and fourth wave may come down and then again can shoot another one more high. So exactly did that same, but the correction is very small. So what happened after this? So now I deleting this correction part. So first, finally, this is not a correction. So this is an impulsive wave. So how we have to label it? So this is the wave 1. In the fifth wave, so this video may took a little bit time than the previous. And again, this is the wave 2. So after that, this is a 5 wave structure here. So that is the intermediate wave 1. So this is the intermediate wave 2. And after that, this is the end of the third wave. So now I deleting all those things. Here is the fourth wave, and fifth wave is also completed perfectly. It did that same. And now I will show you here. Here this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the wave 3. So how we have to connect, right? The next is from here, this one, we need a channel, and just clone that, place in the second wave. So that's already I prepared for this analysis. That is why it's exactly I did all those things, and just showing to you how to channeling that as per that fib expansions, fib retracements, as well as that channeling in the impulsive wave. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed here. So we no need, this channel is not much important, it's already completed in the wedge formation. So this channel is now invalid, so we can delete that. And here is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, wave 3. So we needed correction in the 3-way structure at 13,000 range. So the previous fourth wave it has to fell. So if it fell in that fourth wave, the previous intermediate wave 4, that is also in Elliott waves rules. So the past fourth wave it will be a correction for that fourth wave. So how we have to measure this? So simply from third wave, the length of end of the third wave, it's nearly 38.2 to 23.6. So this zone we need to accumulate everything. So we wait for the 13,200 to 13,100 zone, and if it is a completed in the 3-way structure, we need to buy. But here whether it is going to one more high is possible, and we need to wait for that, because this is looking like a impulsive, it's a very impulsive. So whether this is going to end or little bit one more high is also possible. At that time we need to change the channel 1, 2, so 3, whether if it is a here means we need to change the channel, and then now it will turn here. So at that time that same fourth wave is around 30,000, 13,150 zone is the approximately. So whether if it is reaches there, we need to be buy side for that next completion of this third wave 1, 2. So 3 has to complete here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the next target would be around 14,800 zone. So mind that next zone is 14,800. So after that, this is the completion of this 1, 2, 3. After that, one more fourth, and then fifth has to shoot. So the 14,800 is there for the third wave target. After that, it has to fell in the three-way structure for the fourth wave, or it could be a triangle also. So you need to watch that, and then we need to buy again for that fifth wave target, as 16,200 is my first target. So here we need to so how it will be the next the channel will be, we need to move. So this is the wave 1, so this is the wave 3, means again we need to rearrange that channel, clone this, perfect, in the second wave. So it has to be within this zone, and again one more clone in this zone. So again, once it reached that 14,800 zone, it has to decline again this zone. So again that 13,800 to 13,500 zone it has to reach, and as per that second wave to the third starting of that third wave, and this is the for 14,800, means the 38.2 is 12,500 here, or it could be 23.6, means 13,400, it reaches here. So at that time the third wave extension, just one second, I will remove this fib. Yeah, and what is the zone of what I said is that 14,800, so that will be perfectly the 2618. So this zone, so that is the end of the third wave. So again the three-way structure for the fourth, and again there will be a fifth way target for that. 16,200 is my next target. Once it reaches the 14,800, again there is 1,400 points down in the three-way structure, or it could be a triangle in the five ways. After that, that five-way structures to complete that 16,200 and above is my target for that five-way structure. But why I am getting this kind of extended, whether it is in fifth wave? So for that, the reason here is simply the wave 1 rejection of the wave 2 here. Yeah, it's perfectly, it's 11,800 is the end of the third wave. So here that wave 1 and wave 2 and the wave third is only 6, exactly that 1618. So that fourth wave is also got a little bit deeper correction of 50% here. From the third wave it got 50% retracement. So the fifth way is extended. That is the main reason what I'm thinking. So my target is Nifty is 16,200 and above is my 2021 target. So I will work for that. So, and let's move on to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, and again here what I previous did is, here I took it this as a triangle. So B is here, sorry, I think, yeah, here. I placed like this, and according to the Nifty also I just relieving all those, because see here it looks like a three-way structure also, and this is looks like an impulsive wave also, and here it could be 1 2 3 4 5, so this could be a leading diagonal also. So we can label it as see, all are under the previous. Also I said these counts are according, it will change, keep on changing according to the price action. So what I have to do here is, now this wave 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. So the whole thing is completed. After that, for this wave 1, this is the wave 2 and it is didn't go below this, so that is valid for wave 1 and wave 2. So just now we will start to labeling. This is the wave 1. So now we are removing this B. So now we have to place as a 2, and here is the 3. So this drop is the 4th, and mind this, and this is not yet overlap here. Here is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is completed here. So I'm deleting this W also. So third is ended here, fourth here, and it's not yet overlap that wave 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 3 and 4 is completed, and now we have to 3. So now it has to reach that 37,000. So, and after that we need to change this as bigger 1, and this is the bigger 2, and this is, I took it this as an irregular flat. So for that also it's perfectly did 786 and within this 61.8, but later onwards it could be converted into 1 2 and again 1 2 also. So this how it will keep on changing the labelings, it's most important. So afterwards this could be a, if it is bullish I will just keep changing here, and this 1 2 and again the bigger 3 has to end at that 37,000, and again the three-way structures, and again for this one, this is the 2 3 is 37,000, and again there is a 38% retracement for the fourth wave, and then fifth wave has to reach around 42,000 or 41 or 40. So the third wave has to end. So this is my weekly analysis, and this break what I did, no, that is why I have fine-tuned myself and I just recount everything. So we no need to stick to our count according to the price actions, and the bank stocks and the Nifty individual stocks are all bullish. So how it will be the Nifty can fall? So I said from 14,200 it has to fall, but now it is, I'm showing that 16,200 because of all the individual structures look bullish. So how can Nifty can fill? So it has to shoot. So it, we have to correlate everything, all the stocks, bank stocks, and so bank Nifty has to go up. So now I'm expecting that gold is also has to come down. So once the stocks is going up, then gold has to come down. And once the Nifty and the bank Nifty finishes the one cycle, from that, here the Nifty I got from 1991, so nearly 2021, it's a 30-year cycle, the complete 5-year structure if it ends, so then that will be maybe a recession or whatever the fundamental news it's going to happen. But we need to get ready our analysis. So this is how I work in the forex, and it's already a, it's a going very good. So, and this stocks is also very going good for me in the Indian stocks. It's all very beautiful. And sometime I'm the characters from the forex and this individual Nifty stocks is entirely different. It's look, because in Nifty it's a, not only the Nifty, the Indian equities are only doing that simple corrections and it's shooting. But in forex it's not like that. It's a react for that all global newses. So this also reacts, but not that much. So let's move. So how we have to be there now? So here is a 1 2 3 is ended, and what I said is one more fourth has to come down and one more high is also possible. It's doing the same thing. So once this 1 2 3 4 5 is going to complete another three-way structures, so again here we need to change all the count. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, so that is the 1 2. So all the counts we need to change, so that if I do it means it will took more time. So what I'm just saying here is we are going to end that 1 2 3 4 5 one cycle of five-way structures. So nearly it could be around 32,000 or a 31,700 zone. Still one more wave to the upper side is possible, around 600 to 700 pips, sorry, 600 to 700 points. After that again the three-way structure, so that it will be a 1 2 3. So as per this Fibonacci expansion example, this is the wave 1 or this is the wave 2, exactly it will come nearly, one second, if I took it this as a fifth wave, so this is looking like a wave 1, yeah, 30,800 it's already did. So if we keep this as a wave 1, so 1618 is nearly 34,100, so it's nearly the new high. So let's see how it behaves here. So one second, I'll just checking here also how wave 1 wave 2, yeah, here also it's a 61 1618 perfectly. So this wave fifth also can extend. So that means 1 2 3 4 5, like that kind of wedge formation can happen, and it will reach the 34,000 also. So once it reached, so for example, if we did as a 0 to third, sorry, 0 to third and the rejection fourth, the minimum target is 38.2, so it comes around 33,200. Yeah, it's a new high. So once the 5 waves is completed, this becomes a wave 1, this becomes 2 3 4 and again one more 5. So that is the end of the third. You mind that it's keep going on, so we need to change all those things. It looks like a correction but it converted into a bullish. So let's move on to all individual stock. I think you can understand. If you didn't understand, you just replay all those things what I have done in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's move on to the Titan. So the Titan also, I expected this has to come the three-way structure, but it's not yet completed yet. So and I will explain you here. See, from here to here, this zone and this zone looks similar, right? This zone and this zone is equal. So from here to here, it's exactly 1. So this could be 1 2 3 4 and 5. After this 1 and 2, like that it has to go. And one more thing I will explain, this is not looking like a five-way structure, right? I said extra at that time. It's also, this could be a wave 1, so this could be a wave 2, wave 1, this is a wave 2. So here it looks like the third wave is ended here, and one more three-way structure has to happen for the fourth, and again it has to come for that fifth wave to complete nearly the 1750 zone. So that is my target in that Titan. Next we will move to Grasim. Same see, exactly it did the same thing, three-way structure and again bounced. So now this bounce, it's looking like maybe running a triangle can happen here, because it's not looking like an impulsive wave. So again it may fall or it can go above the high, and then again one more three-way structure. So it has to happen like a Maruti, what I said. So whether it is going to happen a triangle or it is maybe a irregular flat or it could be a regular flat, that we can't say. But that stocks, all the stocks, it looks like a bullish. So this also, it's a wave 1, wave 2 and 3 is completed what I said, and whether we are in the fourth wave. So after the completion of the fourth wave, one more high is possible, nearly to that 1050 or 1100 also it's possible. So far I took it this as a leading diagonal of wave 1. So as per this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, and that 618 is not yet came. So whether it could be again continuation also it's possible. So here it's little bit messy, right? So I'm not able to count. So whether it could be again, but that is bullish. So what we have to do is above the high we need to buy, otherwise we wait for that triangle pattern. Otherwise if it is comes in another three-way structure, you need to buy. After that it's around 880 like that. If it comes you can buy, and the target is 1100. So it's everything is bullish. Here it looks like a 1 2 3 and a 4, it's a triangle, and fifth way what I expected like that. After that what it could happen, right? This could be also individual 1 2 and again 1 2. So this thing is abca, abcb and abcc. So this could be wave 1 and 2, so it can change. So mind that if you are new to this Elliott wave, it's very tough, and you can blame me. You are keep on changing the wave counts. That is my rules and disclaimer also same thing. So we have to keep changing the wave counts. If you stick to that only one wave count, if you fix for that, it will wash your account. So mind that it's we need to keep on changing. It's like a chess, and I have already said several times it's a pure chess game. Market is the opponent. We need to survive. Always market will give the checkmate. You have to survive. That's it. If you survive, you are the winner. So not winner means not against the market. You are going to make a money. So that is why we came to this field. So next, what is that? Just we will move on to that stocks. Yeah, Raymond. So Raymond also, see what I said. It has to go into that 160 and the triangle in the fourth wave. I said like that. All those things I'm waiting for that, and I'm not going to. And I didn't trade that futures also. I won't trade. Only for the best entry level I am waiting for that. It's looking like a triangle and it is breaking for the 160 zone. It's a perfect support zone what I said. But now I will change to my price action and my change count. It's looking like a bullish, so we have to work for that bullish only. So what we have to do here is, it could be, so how we have to see, I labeled as this as a B, so 1 2 3 and we are in the fourth wave. But whether this, if it is a W and this is the X, so this could be a B and C is completed. So anything can, right? Otherwise if it is the A, so A B C D E, so this could be a triangle also. This could be a triangle also. So A B and C is already completed. So again we are in that very lower level only. See, just it's around 200. Now it is in 340. That's it. But once it gets started, how I missed the Bitcoin. And in the sale also I sold at 42 and expecting a little bit for the 32 level again. It keep shooted. And same thing in SBI. I'm expecting something and again it, and ITC. So everything I missed the opportunity expecting that one more low. So this is equity. I just learned the lesson from all those things. And the DCB bank, if you are clearly watching my previous and you are starting from you are following me, you can know that the DCB bank. So like that, it's all bullish for me. So I don't want to stick again for the bearish. I need to work for that, and then only we can earn money. So now this could be a triangle or whatever it is. This 1 2 3 is ended here, and we need to be in buy side. So what we have to do is, if it comes to that one more low, it's around the 305, if it breaks this, because, and one thing I will show you here, here it's already ended third wave. So it's sometimes it's looking like a five-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5-way structures. So we have to wait for that. So what it will do here is, maybe it can come like this, and again it can go like this. After that it can come like this. So this is A, this is a B and C. After the corrections, this is a five-way structure. We need one more five-way structure to break this. So, but if it is bullish, what will be the next means? The next possibility is, it can go above this, and then again it may fall. So this fall, it won't break this. So this could be a running flat. After that it can shoot from here. So I just already entered in that 340 zone, because I no need to miss. It's not FOMO, right? It's a fear of missing trade. It's not a FOMO, because once we fix the destination, what it has to go and what it has to be done, so we need to prepare. And I will, if it comes down, I splitted my entry. I already entered at 340. If it is comes to, see, once we are expecting only to break this zone, as per the Elliott wave, five-way structure, once the three-way structure has to happen, another 5 ways has to happen. But if it is an irregular float, what you will do? And you won't get this opportunity also, right? So first we will enter, and if it comes down, we can enter one more. After that, you have to watch no more entries here, just a split entry. So if we enter the 340, and again if it's around the 300, means the 320 is our average. So if it is going high, and we keep on adding in the three-way structures, so at the time what it has to be there here. So that this could be wave 1, this could be wave 2, this could be wave 3. 4 is a triangle, and fifth wave is already ended. So this, all those thing is wave 1. Look at this. What we did here is, ABC is a ABC, and it is going to be a triangle, and it has to come down. But how it changes? So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 3, and this is the 4 is a triangle, and the fifth is already ended. That means this is an expanding leading diagonal, just here. So 1 2 3 4 is a triangle, and the 5 is already a break that high, and we are in the three-way structure. It's already got, it's going to end. So this is the wave 1 in the leading diagonal, expanding leading diagonal. So it's not expanding, it's looking like expanding. So we need to make this as a wave 1, because this is also a five-way structure, this is also a five-way structure. After that huge triangle, this is also a five-way structure. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, the five-way structure is completed here. So we need to keep on changing according to all the correlation pairs. It's not only the Raymond. I have correlated all the stocks. That is why I am here to explaining everything, right? So next, what is it? So this is the wave 1. So be ready for the bigger wave 3. It's already lot of accumulations is did, and this is a perfect accumulation zone here. This is a beautiful accumulation zone. It's already did the same. So here we miss the trade, and once it shooted like this, everybody get enter in this train, and if it is comes pullback, they will get out. After that, it's a big movement you will miss. So next we will move on to that what is that, Reliance. So Reliance also no change, perfectly it is doing that same. So I took it this as a B is a triangle, and 1 2 3 4 5 is a W, and X. So yeah, Y is also ended. See, sometimes it is a moving. Why I have to this as a, this is as a B, and see, this is a triangle. So we have to we have to label it as a B and C as a 1 also in the diagonal pattern, or this could be ABC is a 1 also and this B is a 2 also, because if we move this as a triangle as a 2, so as per the Elliott waves, that 2 is not be a triangle but B is a triangle. So in this ABC as a 1, ABC is a 2, and here it's already completed one ABC in the diagonal pattern what I said here. So it's already did A and we are in the B wave. Once it come to this 1600 zone and the previous resistance zone, you need to be in buy side, whether it is going to shoot for that next or it will be make a more consolidation and then it can shoot. So as per this WX, this is the Y because it's a diagonal triangle move. After that, the three-way structure of X, it is going to shoot for that Z wave. So as of now, my target is going to be a 2000, around of 2500 for the Z wave. After that, let's see. So first we have to finish in the three-way structure. So this is my positional view. So what will be then that shorter term? See, did that same thing what I explained here. Whether it is going to make a impulsive wave, we need to be in correction. Exactly, it did A, B and C, but it didn't break this low. If it did, if it breaks the low, that will be an irregular flat, but it didn't break the low. So now it is still valid for to break this high. So that means around 2100 is still ahead. So after that, whether it is going to fell here or it is going to make a irregular flat and then again it can continue like that. So that is in that we will see, because first of all this is an impulsive and again we need a correction. So if you buy here, it can go above this level, so that is the target. If it is buy here, it's around 1950 zone. This is a previous support zone, 1940 or 1950, and the target is a first target is it's going to 2000, below that 2070, because sometime it could be a triangle also. So this is a and A B C D E, and after that it can go back also. So if you are looking for the triangle, it's around 2050 is the first target. If it breaks means it can go, but we need to watch this wave formation. First of all, if it is coming to the three-way structure to the 2050, we need to buy, sorry, 1950, we need to buy for the target of 2050 and then 100 points here. After that, if it is very aggressive, no need to book, because we have to wait, because this could be wave 1, this could be wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So that C contains of 5-way structures, wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could reach around 2250 also. So that means that is a flat pattern. So here, sorry, zigzag, one double zigzag it could be. This is a, this is a B and C. So this is a zigzag. So one more it's zigzag has to happen. So as per that zigzag rules is 38.2 or 61.8. Sometimes it is, now it's happening up to that 38 sorry 61.8 or 78.6 also. So here it's a wave 1, wave 2, sorry, this is a, this is a B, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a B C in the zigzag. After that one more 5 ways is already did. Here one more 5 ways has to break this and again it can fall. So wait for that. So we will move on to Bajaj. So Bajaj Finance also, here it's going to be 1 2, what I said is a 3 and it has to be a 4. It's came here and again it should. So whether it looks like a impulsive or it is going to be a three-way structure, because it's sometimes it's looking like a zigzag and we can't make it out, right? So whether this is a zigzag or it could be a five-way structure, it's already ended and we are in the three-way structure. So here one thing, the same thing, it's all going to be changed. So here it's a 1 2 and 3 4, or it can be make a one more high. So after that, this is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, and 3 has to go above high, or this is a B, C. That is the question mark, because this fall I took it this as a one single structure. I'm not taking this as a three-way structure. So this is an impulsive way to the downside. So A, B, C, I'm waiting for that, and again one more drop for that second wave is also possible. Once that second wave is completed, and again the third wave. So because here it's a very bullish. So this is not a three-way structure, but sometimes we have to accept that, because if it did the five-way structure, so what will happen the next three-way structure we need to buy. So at that time, this is going to be a wave 1 and wave 2, but it's already did that 61.8 or 50% retracement. So let's have a look. Yeah, perfectly 61.8. So that is acceptable for that second wave, and we are in the third wave. The same thing in Bajaj Finance also. So we will move on to next Sun TV. So little bit we can fast move fast, right? It's already late. So as per now, the wave 1, wave 2, and this is again the intermediate wave 1, 2, and it's already broken the high. So I'm expected this, it's going to be, it's already did the 786. So whether it could be a wave 2 also here, and we need a bullish scenario for the third wave. So everything it is bullish only. So, and this is a channel, it is accepting this channel exactly. It bounced 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth time it's already bounced. So be careful in this trend line, right? So my thing is it's only bullish, no way chance. This is a B, C also. Whether in case, whether it is a B, C, it's a or W, again A, B, C, A, B, C, B, it could make a triangle also, or it could fell from here to the 360 zone and again. But if it fell to 360 zone, it's a good buy. It's not a good buy, it's a good buy zone, not a good buy. Okay, so from here it has to shoot for the third wave, or it could be a C wave. And Zeal also, it's already broken that, and again I'm expecting to retest this. So as per that also in Sun TV, what I said, this could be a B, C as a one. It can convert it into that diagonal triangle like that, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and C as a one. That is why how it marked is a Roman letter 1 or W, and this is a X, but it's already broken that. So this X and 2 can change once it reached here. So again, I will be in buy side at around 180 to 190. After that, it has to shoot from the third wave, or it could be a B, C wave. So next is Raymond finished, Bajaj Finance, Sun TV, GT, and we are going to move on to the JSW Steel. Yeah, see that same thing how I changed here. Now it's looking like here 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 5 is completed, and again here this wave and this wave, it's looking like same, right? So what I did is 1, 2. So here's a 3, and I said whether it has to retest this, and again it can shoot, and it's already did the same thing, right? So here is a 5-way structure is completed. Here also one 5-way structure is completed. So that means this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and again 1, 2, 3. So what I said in that one more what I saw, I think it's a Titan, I think so. So like that it's keep on moving. So we need to be cautious. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. It could be a wave intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, and in the 3-way structure, at the nearly at this for this wave as a 23.6 or 38.2, or again if it reaches the 340, so we need to be buy side. For that again it could reach that 400 to 420, 450, like that it can reach. So it's keep on moving only. It's a bullish, and we have to change everything in bullish. All Zindal also. So Zindal, I think very good investment stocks, because I already did the same thing. So A, B, C is the three-way structure is completed. Again, this is a beautiful flat corrections, and nearly it is an around 88.6 zone retest. After that A, B, and we are in that C wave, it has to cross that 800 zone. So be watch this. This is a beautiful for the investment in Zindal Steel. So it is going to break this 800 zone. So now it is 270 nearly. Still there is a double time. So it's around 540 plus 270. It's 810. So here it's a double the time. It's a 270 means you can roll it the double time. But it will took time. But maybe in whatever in the post office and the bank also, it won't give the returns like that of only that 7%, 8%. But here the risk is also there, but we are not doing blindly. We already educate everything, and we are doing as per our plan. So don't be a gambler, be a trader as an investor. So this is a five-way structure. If it is a five-way structure, the 1 and 2 is completed, we are on the third way. As per this is a 4-hour chart. Here I did 1 2 3 4 5, and it's looked like a very impulsive wave. So whether if it is going to come back to this zone, that could be a running flat for that second wave. So this wave and this trend line will took as a support. So this Fibonacci expansion for that wave 1, sorry, A, B, C, perfectly at 786. So what here we have to do is 1 2 3 4 5 wave structure is completed. Whether this could be A, B, C, so it is already above that 1618 exactly here, and sometimes lot of times it's doing the same thing what I said. If it is a running flat or expanded flat, that fall, after that in this zone it has to shoot. So that will be wave 1, this could be a wave 2. Or what else it has to do is, whether it is in three-way structure or impulsive wave, we can't find it here. It's look like for me it's a very impulsive. But in the three-way structure, and if it is going to like this, no issues, because 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So 1 2 3 4, and then again it has to do like this, and then this 4 will go like this, and again one more wave 5. So after that fifth wave, so for this wave 1, it has to be in at least 38.0. So that time it is a confirmation, more confirmation. Then you can buy that. So this is bullish, and my target is above 800. And one more thing I have to explain the Zindal Steel. So expecting that if it is a triangle in the B wave, so what it will move is it can go up to here 600 zone, and again it may fall, and again it can rise, and again it can fall like that. So then A, B, C, D, E, and then again it can shoot. So that is also a possible. Don't only look for that bullish. It can be a triangle in that three-way structure. So this could be a B, and this could be a five-way structure. After the C, it could be fall in a triangle formation, and then it can show. It could more consolidations within that, and it can show. So what I'm trying to say here is, once I said this 850, so when it will reach? That is the one question, right? If it is a triangle, it will took more year and also. So how the Reliance it did? For the one short, the Reliance did nearly from here 2008 2008 to 2016, nearly 8 years of accumulation here. After that it gave lot of from here 480 to 2500, right? 500, so 4 times within how many days? Is it around 3 years, 4 years, right? Jan 17th, September 20. So nearly 2.5 years you did 3 times. So like that it could happen. So again, what the people will think, right? So Vijay said like that, and it is a very beautiful stock, and it will reach that 850. It won't reach immediately. Mind that my target is 850. So when it has to reach, it will took more time also, or it can reach. So that is not in my hand. Just I'm get ready for that rally. So next is Hindalpo. So same, no change in this. It has to reach above that 285 in the weekly chart. So now this has to, if once this is finished, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we are in the wave 4. So once it got completed, that could be a wave 5. So here this 1 2 and then again 3 and again 4 and 5. So this is all will change, or it could again fell from here also. So it could make again the consolidation, because in every time it's looking like a 3 wave structures only it did in the previous. Here also 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So everything it's a 3 wave structures only. So here also it can move above the high, it can touch that nearly 300 zone, and again it may fall in the 3 wave structure. So it is going to be like 3 wave structures only, right? So let's see how it going to happen. And the MGL, it's also same, no change here, because this is a impulsive way. 1 2 3 is a corrective, and again what we are doing here, it's also a corrective structure. So A B C is completed, again one more A B C is completed, so it is a flat correction. So again I expected the 3 wave structure. So here the end of the 5 waves, it could be a or the B wave contains a 5 wave structure. So again one more 3 wave structure has to happen, and then again it can shoot for the third wave, and it could be a B C 1 2, so 3 4 5 like that it has to go, or this is a B and C. If it is fell within this also, it has to come to the downside. So first target is 1150, and then we have to watch for this wave count. So Sun Pharma, same I said, it's looking like a one more. If it is come fall from here, it could be again the beautiful buy, or if it is a 5 wave structure, we need to be get ready for the again the 3 wave structures if it comes. So if it is comes around the 540 zone, we need to buy, because it's already did the 5 wave structure here. So here also it's looking like a 3 wave structure, 3 wave structure, and here is a 5 wave structure is completed. So what it is going to be means, it could be a wave 1, and this could be a wave 2, or it could be a B, and C is a wave 1 is completed, and in that wave 2 has to happen, and it can shoot for the third wave. So these all, it could be wave 1 or wave 2, or it could be A on B, and C has to shoot in the 5 wave structure. So it's a very fair, nearly it can reach up to that 880 also, because if it is an A, this is a B, means C can be a very good, nearly expecting the target of 1618, see 875, and the previous support zone, sorry, resistance zone. So let's see. And the next one is L&T. I think JSW, Tata Steel, Hindalpo, Zindal, yeah, MGL. Now Sun Pharma is finished. Now it's L&T. So in half of the way is go to. It's very, it's, I think it's very a long session, I think so. So L&T, the perfect is here is A or W is completed. Here it's a X or B is completed. Now we need to be a diagonal triangle for the Y wave, or it could be a ABC, or it could be a 5 way structure for A and then again B. So now we come to that here it's everything again it's going to change, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, so that is why I have written it is a W, A or 1. We didn't know about that. So whether if it is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 and we are in the wave 3. So and perfectly we need to get reject at the 1618. So it's a long way to go. Here it's nearly 1400. So here is a 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. We are on that fourth wave. So whether I said exactly it did only in the spike, it did, right? On that the Nifty crashes that 600 points, right? Because of that new corona, like that. See, this is the opportunity I missed because I did a lot of things, but I didn't done here this LNT. So 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. So 1 2 3 is a bigger 3, and whether this is the fourth or it is going to be a triangle and then it can shoot. If it is a triangle, I will be very happy because we will get one more low to the 1250 again. Nearly we missed here at 1150, at least 100 points. Now it is a 1290, 1300. So more 50 points we can get a discount, and then again we can continue for that fifth wave. So fifth wave it could be around 1400 to 450 is my target. Once this completed, this A B is converted into 1 2 3, and again for the fourth wave, and again it can shoot for the fifth wave to break the previous high. So what is the previous high? It's around 1600. So after once it's 1450 is reached, and again we are need to trade for the fourth wave. After that, from here it's around 1350. It's a beautiful trend lines out there. It will took the support, and then again it can break this high. So that time A, B and C has to break above this levels. So next, what will we do? Ashok Leyland. Same, no change. So here I need to change whether how I took this a wave 1, and here is a wave 2. This is also again I took it this as a diagonal. So again this will be elaborate like 1. Here is a 2. So this one, this 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for this one we need to trade 2. So it's already did. So third here after the three-way structure, and 5 is has to reach for the 120 zone. So whether it is reached this, again a three-way structure, maybe a 38.2, again the 90 zone here, it's a huge uh, support zone. After this, one more three-way structure, again it has to show. So next we will move on to Tata Motors. So Tata Motors also it's all one second. Yeah, it is perfectly. It is trading the channel. So now here the WX I said. Now A is already did three-way structure. Exactly I did at the 160 zone I bought, and again I sold it nearly 180 zone I sold because expecting the previous resistance zone, and one trend line it came all the technicals nearly here 180 I sold, and after that it's already broken that trend line. I retested, now it is hanging there. So whether it is going to be make a one more low, I will be again buy side. After that it can shoot. So here is a B and same length has to happen here. So whether this is going to be a W X A B C, and it can continue like that itself. So then after that what it will happen means it's A B C is a 1, so A B C is a 2, and this is a W X Y as a 3. Once it reached the this zone, after that 4 and 5, so it will reach the 300 in later days. It will be keep going on, it will keep rising without any pullback. So next we will see that uh, I think I forgot to do the Tata Steel. Yeah, here the Tata Steel is there. So let's finish that also. So this is a wave 1. Next this is a wave 2. Here it's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So still we are in that, going to make a third. So 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 and 5. So this is the end of the third. So fourth has to happen. After that, that 5 has to go above the 700, 725 levels. So you just get through that this thing. So wave 1, wave 2, we are on the wave third. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3 and again 4 to 5 has to happen. So this is the Tata Steel. So we will move on to the upper low tires. Upper low tires. Yes. For this also the same. Whether it is going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3 is completed. So whether it's looking like a, I'm not forcing this chart, but it's look like very impulsive. So here it's a, this is impulsive means it is a correct and one more down is there. So at that time this could be 1, 2, 3 for this, one more wave to the upper side and then it can come back, or it could again retested this zone and again it can go back. So let's see, because everything it is bullish only in the three-way structure. If it's false, we need to buy. So it could be like this or like this. Yes. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that the 5 waves, fifth wave for here, this 1, 2, or it is whether it is going to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So anyway I'm looking only for that buying. If it comes here 160, I need to buy, I need to be in buy side. Otherwise if it breaks this, I won't worry, because if it breaks means the fifth wave got ended and again one more three-way structure. Once the trend is confirmed in the three-way structure only, I will be in buy side. So next is Kestrel. So Kestrel, I think it's one more high is one more low is there, I think so, and I already booked that. I said in the previous video also, the 15 days back, it's already broken the high. So I exited my position at nearly 134 or 35. I exited my position what I bought at nearly exactly that 106 and 104.1. I exited all my positions at 134 this zone. I'm expecting one more way to the downside. So whether it is a, here it's a perfect A, B and C. So three-way structure is over. So it could be end of this also a third wave, and this is the fourth wave, and one more ABC to the fifth wave to break this low, and that is a good buy. But I'm not sure about this, but it has to break above this. Then only I be very sure about this to invest in this. Again, it is a, for me it's not looking like so confident here. It's very tough to labeling here in these zones. So if you are in that the three-way structures, if it goes like this and according to this, you just buy this, because it could be a 1, this could be a wave 2, and this could be again 1, and this could be a wave 2. So it is forming like that only, right? It may form like that only. How that all Nifty is everything now, it's looking like a bullish, and all ICICI Bank, Axis Banks, everything it's looked like a correction, and now it is keep on changing to the bullish. So like that, if it is a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, because the triangle has happened only in the B intermediate wave, and this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and again this could be a wave 1, and again this could be a wave 2. So this is a bigger one, this is a bigger 2, and this is the intermediate wave 1, this is the intermediate wave 2. After that it could be shoot for the third wave, and then we miss the trade. right? So like this is happening. So we already learned the lessons from past. So these are the beautiful stocks in Raymond, Kestrel India, Zindal. It's everything. It's look very very beautiful, and it is in lower levels. Not yet. It's a huge wave is there. We already missed. Sorry, I already missed that L&T, Titan, Grasim. All I have exited in that middle part. So I don't want to again and again do the same mistakes. So first we will do how it going. It's a nearly 120 rupees, and where it started from to fail is around 250, 270 rupees. So now it is 120. It's already 50% discount. It's a one, yeah. It's around 270. It's around the same range, 135, right? So you can go for this. It's not a bad company, I think so. And it's almost the previous support zone. If it breaks this, then only it has to reach this zone, but it won't be like that. It's my bias, that's it. And next thing is Maruti. So there is no change. Already Maruti is finished that five-way structure. I'm waiting for the three-way structure to complete. So here ABC is completed, and again one more ABC is finished. So one more ABC, if it comes here, I will be in buy side. At that time, after that, it could make another three-way structure and again fall also. So that it depends upon that wave formation here. But once that wave correction is completed or three-way structure, as per this already did. Now it's already did here, and one more wave I'm expecting for the previous fourth wave. So if it did here, we need to buy whether it is going to shoot this, if it is going to break the 8,000, or it can do like this around 7,600. If it is a flat correction, again the 80% retracement, and again it can fall. So if it fall, there is a very good buy zone in 6,000 to 6,400 zone here. So that will be also the 50% retracement, I think so. 400, 4,002, yeah, perfectly. That 6,000 zone, the 50% retracement, and that this is the 61.8 retracement. So let's see how it works. And now we going to that IT stocks. So IT stocks, what I said, all everything it is in third wave. Sorry, it's a fourth wave. What I did is here is the previous. This is the end of the third, and we are in the fourth. But it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the end of the third wave. For me, it looks like that. The intermediate wave, it's a 1. So 2, 3, 4, and here is the end of the third wave. For me, it looks like that because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here is a 1. Yeah, it's a 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5. So once that five-way structure is got completed, and all IT stocks, it's looking like a one more three-way structure has to happen. So for example, this one is a Wipro. See, I said right. It's a fourth wave. It's a triangle, and it's already dead. So again, this is a bigger third wave. So this is a 1. This is a 2. This is a third. It's going to end, or it's already ended. So again, if it is comes in the three-way structure, so I will rearrange. Once it's completed, we need to rearrange the channel. So at that time, it could be like this, and here just we need to clone this. Don't arrange. You don't adjust this. Just you need to clone this. Fit here, and again one more clone. You just paste it here, and again one more clone. You just paste it here. So that target is next is nearly 450 to 500 range. So before that, we need to watch that fourth wave end. Then only we need to rearrange the trend lines channels. So HC also HCL Technologies. So that is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed. So I am expecting a three-way structure. So whether it could be a small or if it is a big, because here is a A, I took it as a A or 1. This is a B or 2, and here it's a look for that. It's almost from March 15th to it's March 20. Nearly that 5 years of accumulation rate. So no need to again miss this stock also. You note it down all the stocks. It's a very beautiful stocks, or it could be A, B, C is also ended. So this is a disclaimer. You just note it down whether this is A, B, and C is completed. Here it's a B, and C. It's already did of one, or it could be a C is contains of five-way structure. So again it can be a three-way structure. Again it can shoot for that fourth and fifth also. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can shoot like that or whatever it is. But 1A, B, C is completed. In that exactly this wavelength it's already did here. So either if it is a deeper correction, it's also good for us to accumulate again in that 500 600 zone. Again you will wait for that to retest. Sorry, again it has to break this though. So first of all, we need to, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So we have to wait. So every IT company sectors, it's looking like three-way structures to the downside is possible. So I think I finished Info Wipro HCL. So we will move on to the bank stocks. What I did here, it's whether it is I label it as it's A, B, C, and I already explained this. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So instead of this one, but here it's a triangle. So whether this is a B, C is completed, or it could be A. So intermediate wave, I think A, B, C like that. It may, no, it's not shooting. Okay, so we will fix to this. So A, B, C, it could be a wave 1 also. Here A, B, C is a wave 2 also, if it is in diagonal triangle. So here 1 5 waves is got completed, exactly did that same. And for this, it looks like for me the third wave is ended here. Here is a third, here is a bigger fourth, and this is could be a wave third. Here it's looking like a 1, 2, here also 1, and it could be a 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more, because it's looking like that a price action. It's not, one second, it could be like this, and we need to clone this perfect channel. So yeah, and sometimes it will be like this only. So third, but it's already did a retracement of 50%. So no worries. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that kind of diagonal. It can be end, I think so. But if it is fell from here also, I will accumulate more, because this is a W X. So in the case if it is a, this could be a B, and again one more way to the upper side is also possible. So at that time we just placed here, I think. So again we can clone this. Yes, it's already closing above this only. So here one more way to the downside. Yes, perfectly it's fitting the median line. So let's see how it works. So next we will see that SBI IN. So this is also what I said is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed, and again I am expecting, but it's already did one more wave. It's a little bit confusing for me, because if see perfectly 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after the 5 waves it has to fall, but it's looking like a impulsive. So we need to wait for that. Again, it has to be in the three-way structure. So what kind of wave is doing here? We need to watch, and I will, if anything interested, I will update. But it's a bullish only. So all the bank stocks, it's looking like all banks and the stocks looking like a bullish. So I will be in buy side only. So whether this is a B, and C is a 1, as per that what I said, A, B, C is a 2. So this could be a B, and C. What that is why I'm confused here. If it is A, B, C means it's a 5-way structure. So it has to end here. But if it is a way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means this is A. Again B has to come down. But it's looking like here it's a bullish. So we need to wait for that structure we need to, and the pattern we need to find, then only we can get a confirmation, and otherwise we won't be in confident to take the trade. See, the perfect channel is fitting. So whether 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is completed, here the wave count is missing again. So let's see how it moves. And next is ICICI Bank. So that is also same what I did in that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5 means again one more three-way structure, and again it's doing. So what I'm thinking here is also that fourth way, the third way is not bigger one. So whether this could be a, again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this could be a wedge formation also. In that fifth way, it could be like this. It could be travel like this also in the wedge formation. So 1, 2, 3 is completed, or it could be a diagonal triangle also. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ending diagonal. So ABC has to 3 here, and again 3-way structure 4, and again one more 3-way structure. So it will keep moving like this. And whether we will check that SBIN also like this pattern. Yeah, it is also possible, I think so. So if it is the end means, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, like that it can happen, right? Yeah, I missed this. It can go like this also. So this is the end of that 1, 2, 3. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. It's a, it could be ending diagonal also. Yeah. So next is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank also same. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, ABC is a, again a Y. So three-way structure I expected. It did the same thing. Now again I need a one more way to the downside, and again to the upper side is also possible. But if it is a 1, this is a 2, so this is a W, X, A, B, C is a 3. So whether it could be a little bit that fourth wave, maybe consolidation, and then it could be reach that 740 or 760 zone also. So this is also a bullish. As per my view, it's coming. So let's move on to that. Finally, the RBL Limited. So this is also same. There is no change. So ABC is a W, X. Again the Y is completed. Again the three-way structure X is did. And I also already bought a 205. I catch this. So still holding that. So whether if it is coming to the downside, one more way to the upper side is also possible. Or it could make a 5-way structure for A, and again 3-way structure B and C. So my target in this is nearly 360 is my next target. So how it will going to change? Right, this is a ABC is a 1, so ABC is a 2. So here ABC, it could be a W, X, again ABC 3 can go above the 320, after that 4. So it's everything, it could be a diagonal triangle also. So mind that we can trade like that also. So I think one more thing is Parag Milk Foods. And apart from that, there is a lot of opportunities I keep on watching in my watch list, and I nearly it's a lot of pairs I have added in my watch list. So if anything interested, I will keep updated only in my Telegram channel. See this lot of things. Nearly I added another 50 stocks. I'm just work on that weekend, and then I will keep uploading that in my Telegram channel if anything interested. So these red stocks are what I'm having. These red stocks are what I'm having. So after that, I just keep on watching this. What are the opportunities is there? So where we have to enter. That is why these are all my stocks. I'm just keep on following, and again these are all added. Nearly I added another 50 stocks. I added. So if it is anything interesting, I will keep updating in Kirlos. Because I added the Kirloska. That is why I just it's coming in there in my Telegram channel. So be alert in that. If it is an all for educational purpose only, what I'm sharing my knowledge, and we can earn consistent money using the Elliott waves. Lot of people is kidding. I don't worry about that because it's my capital, my risk. I know the risk. So I just sharing my knowledge to learn everything. That's it. It's not in this. See, I'm doing it for another 1.5 hours for you. If I'm teaching you, I'm just explaining all that trade setups. It is helpful for me to fine tune myself, and it will remind me that price also. So thanks for watching, and be updated in my Telegram channel. Keep following that, and as well as in YouTube. So thanks for watching, and we will see in that next week or in the next another 15 days if it is anything interested. And just keep in touch with Telegram. You can I can if it is have a time, I will keep on updating in that. So have a lovely weekend and have a profitable week in this new year. So have a nice day. Cheers.